Chapter 10 The Boy Who Never Told a Lie. Learning Objectives 1. We should never tell a lie. 2. Honesty and truth prevail all. Once there was a little boy with curly hair and pleasant eye, a boy who always told the truth and never told a lie. And when he trotted off to school, the children all about would cry, "There goes the curly-headed boy, the boy that never tells a lie." And everybody loved him so because he always told the truth, that every day as he grew up was said, "There goes the honest youth." And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, the answer would be always this: because he never tells a lie. Exercise time. A. Answer the following question. A. What did the other children talk about the little boy? Answer. The other children talked about the little boy because he used to never tell a lie. B. Why did everybody love him? Answer. Everyone loves him because he never used to lie. C. What do you understand from the poem? Answer. We understand that we should never lie. We must always speak the truth. D. How should youth must behave? Answer. Youth must behave honestly. B. Find their meanings. A. Pleasant, enjoyment. B. Trotted, faster than walk. C. Youth, young. D. Reason, cause. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A boy who always told the truth and never told a lie. B. And when he trotted off to school, the children all about would cry. D. Take the correct options. A. How was the hair of the boy? 1. Curly. 2. Straight. 3. Wavy. Answer. 1. Curly. B. Who would cry, "There goes the curly-headed boy who never told a lie"? 1. Parents. 2. Children. 3. None of the above. Answer. 2. Children. 3. What did people call him wherever he went? 1. Liar. 2. Honest. 3. Curly-headed. 2. Honest. Match the following. Column A. Pleasant, school, honest. Column B. We are truthful in what we say and do. 2. Friendly, nice. 3. Place or institution for teaching and learning. Answer. Pleasant, friendly, nice. School, place or institution for teaching and learning. Honest, we are truthful in what we say and do. Let's enjoy the poem. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same sound. For example, goat, boat, moat, float, coat. Find out the pairs of rhyming words in the poem and write them in the given space. A. Lie, I. B. Boy, joy. C. Day, way. D. Hi, bye. Communication, writing skills. Rearrange the words to make the meaningful sentences. A. Mangoes. These sweets are. B. Drink. 2. I milk like. C. Good. We girls are. Reading skills. Say these words aloud. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out some words. Circle the words you hear and then say it aloud. Life skills. Coping with emotions. Think and share. A. What makes you feel angry? B. What makes you feel sad? C. What makes you feel happy? D. What makes you feel worried?